This is HISENSE 2.1.
I came to the party. I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I heard things. Now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did. 'Cause now you adore me. Go ahead now.
This is beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you very much.